Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now today we have a very interesting problem. This is a miscellaneous problem, that is, find the sum of all real values of x, for which 8 to the power x plus 27 to the power x by 12 to the power x plus 18 to the power x is equals to 7 by 6. Now first we have to assume something and then we have to approach the problem. Let us write that 8 to the power x as 2 to the power x whole to the power 3. We can write it because we know that 2 to the power 3 means 8, 8 to the power x, it is given, and plus 27 to the power x, that is 3 to the power x whole to the power 3. Okay, and whole divided by 12 to the power x plus 18 to the power x. From this we can take common 6 to the power x as common. We can take, so 6 to the power x whole divided by what is remaining in the 12 to the power x term. If we take 6 to the power x as common, there will be 2 to the power x remaining, and in 18 to the power x 3 to the power x. So now 2 to the power x whole cube plus 3 to the power x whole cube whole divided by, now we can write 6 to the power x as 2 to the power x multiplied by 3 to the power x, and this thing is multiplied by 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power x. Now you can see that the entire term, entire simplified value which has been written in the black ink, is composed of only two basic terms, that is 2 to the power x and 3 to the power x. Now let us assume that 2 to the power x is equal to a and 3 to the power x 3 to the power x, not 3x, is equal to b. So we can write this term as 2 to the power x means a, so a cube plus b cube whole divided by, now ab, that is 2 to the power x into 3 to the power x whole multiplied by a plus b. Now we know another formula for a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, whole divided by ab multiplied by a plus b. So this a plus b and a plus b gets cancelled, and remaining term is this part I am writing here is equal to a square minus ab plus b square whole divided by ab. And by the problem this part is equal to 7 by 6, because this entire part is this entire part is equal to this entire part, and this entire part is equal to 7 by 6. So the a square minus ab plus b square whole divided by ab is equal to 7 by 6. Now from this we can write that, now cross multiplication, after doing cross multiplication we get that 6a square minus 6ab, and this ab into 7ab, that is minus 7ab, and this plus 7ab, and this when comes to the LHS we can write it as minus 7ab plus 6b square is equals to 0. Now from this we can write that 6a square, now we have to divide this equation by what, b square. Dividing by b square we get that 6a square by b square minus, this is what, 30 minus 13ab, so minus 13ab divided by b square plus 6b square by b square is equals to 0. And now we can write it as 6a square minus 6a square by b square, that is 6 into a by b whole square, and minus this b and b will cancel, and 13 into a by b plus this b square and b square will get cancelled, and hence 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, now let us again assume another thing, that this problem is based on actually assumption. Okay, so a by b is equal to y. Let us assume that a by b is equal to y. If a by is equal to y, then the first part, that is 6 into a by b whole square, that is 6y square minus 13y plus 6 is equals to 0. Now we have to middle term factorize and find the value of y from this quadratic equation. That will be 6y square minus 9y minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is middle term factorization. It's easy. 6 into 6 36. Again minus 9 into minus 4 is 36. So we can easily write, break the middle term, that is minus 13 into minus 9 and minus 4. So from the first two terms we get what common? 3y, 2y minus 3, and again 2y minus 3, and it will be minus 2 is equal to 0. So from this we can write that 3y minus 2 multiplied by 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we can get that first, if this part, only this part is equal to 0, then y must be equal to 2 by 3, and or if this part is 0, then y must be equal to 3 by 2. Then we can write that we have secured the value of y, and what is y? Y is a by b. So we can write that is equal to a by b. Y is a by b. We have assumed that. Okay. So if a by b is equal to 2 by 3, or a by b is equal to 3 by 2. Now if we take number this as the number 1, and this or is number 2. So if we considering number 1, we get that a by b is equal to 2 by 3, and now we have also assumed a as 2 to the power x is equal to a, and 3 to the power x is equal to b. So we can write here that a by b means 2 to the power x by 3 to the power x, that is 2 by 3 whole to the power x is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 2 by 3 whole to the power 1. So from here we get x is equal to 1. Again, if we consider number 2 equation, then a by b is what? 2 by 3 whole to the power x is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means what? 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 1. This is coming from the chapter concept of laws of indices. So you can see that this is a mixture of many interesting topics. Okay, so from the maths. So we are considering it as a miscellaneous problem. So here we can see that x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. Okay. So now what was the question given? Find the sum of all real values of x for which this equation is satisfied. Okay. So we have here got two values of x, that is plus 1 and minus 1. Now sum of these two values, that is 1 plus minus 1. What is that? 0. So the answer to the question will be 0. This is an very interesting and also popular question. You can practice this. Thank you. Ending my video here for the day. And if you like my video, please give a like, comment, and subscribe my channel and share with your friends.